Hello to all of you out there on YouTube. Basically, well, I want to kind of explain what's been going on. Last night we had a very high strong wind, basically, and it knocked down two pine trees, one basically kind of my yard and one basically in my neighbor's yard as well. But basically I've been hearing a lot of bang, crashing, and everything snapping like no tomorrow. But at least no houses has been damaged by any of the trees in my yard. But what I mostly am concerned about is my big maple. It's right in the center of my yard, and I will show you that as well. But we also have a maple here and a maple on that side. But I got news for you. This wind is freaking nuts. It's freaking crazy. But let's go ahead and show you the big maple, what I mean, basically. Here is the big maple tree. This is the tree I always worry about the most, because it already lost a limb before from a couple years ago, back in the day when we basically moved in, basically. But here is the pine tree. Basically it's kind of half ours and half the neighbors, but now we kind of am stuck with trying to figure out how to clean this mess up. And basically there's the on maple over there I decorate, and here's this maple I also decorate as well. And you kind of see we got kind of a bit of a mess to clean up, basically, but not too bad. But I don't have a chainsaw to cut this pine tree down, basically. But let's walk in my yard to showing you how strong these winds were last night, and I'm not kidding. It actually physically knocked this tree down. It uprooted. Freaking nuts. Kind of see my neighbor's house on that side and my house is on this side, but it's kind of half hers and half ours. But we gotta figure out what we have to do to see if we can get this tree cut up or something like that. But I basically have been out here kind of you know, inspecting the houses and the neighbors' houses and making sure everything is good, basically, and that is awesome. Well, let's go ahead and show you the almond tree. It's actual an almond pine tree. It also has basically felled down, basically, from the big gust of wind. It's been going on for all last night and today. It's absolutely crazy. Well, let's go ahead and show you what I mean about my big giant maple in the front yard. This is what I'm kind of concerned about. Basically, right here, you kind of see what I mean, what I'm talking about. This is my maple tree. It has lost a limb before, but kind of notice down here, we also basically lost a tree. That's actually the neighbor's tree, basically. But we're all going to take care of everything, I hope, and neighbors as well. But this is super crazy. It is absolutely nuts of how windy it was last night. Yeah, basically, you know, it happens. But basically, inspecting everything, making sure it's no damage on any unwanted houses surround us, basically, with all these wonderful pine trees and stuff. It's basically crazy. I was going to show you. This one is also kind of uprooted as well. But yeah, nuts. But alright, if you guys and girls are supporting the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog, and have a nice day. And this is what wind can actually do to knock down the trees.